as we walk into the accommodation, we've got very large U-shaped seating here with a table that drops down, and then you'll see an infill that fits right there to make a double berth. Around here, opening portholes with curtains, large mirror at the back with stowage, and a TV. Well, you'll see the aerial outside shortly. In the galley here, got an isotherm fridge. We've got two inverters sockets, one here and one over there. Stainless steel sink with hot and cold pressurised water, and the Wallace diesel hob. Stowage up there, large cupboards and stowage behind in the worktop as well. The headroom in here in this particular spot is over 6 foot and gets shallower the further you get forward. We come to the starboard side, we'll see the heads. Again, standing headroom in here, the motor for the windscreen wiper there. And down here we've got the sink and the pull-out shower, stowage below, draining floor, and the Jabsco sea toilet. Stowage in these lockers. Aft of the heads is the main cabin. So we've got seats here. You can see there's the infill for the saloon, and the cushions as well there, but you can see the size of this berth. Very spacious, double if not king size, goes across the boat with storage behind it here. Cushions in very good condition, and then this is the cushion for the infill in the cockpit. We've got the fuse board here, nicely laid out with a carbon fibre effect wrap, and here we have a hanging locker. Let's go and have a look in the cockpit. Here we are in the cockpit. We've got very nice passenger seat here and a double helm seat to the starboard side. All the controls here, throttle controls. In front of the throttles we have the trim, above there the Raymarine ST60 speed, and in front of that is the ST60 depth. On this side we've got the Garmin EchoMap DV, and in front of that we have the Lawrence HDS 5M. Control for the bow thruster here, and all the switches along here. Engine controls and gauges here with fuel gauge, temperature gauge, rudder indicator and revs. Over on the port side we've got the standard Horizon VHF DSC. A very nice view with the tent that is removable. A nice 360 view with the arch with lighting fitted. As I said earlier, you'll see currently this is the socket for the aerial, so it is removable when you're underway. Down here we've got another U-shaped seating area where the table will collapse into a bed, sun lounging, and engine access underneath, so we'll have a look at that shortly. On the port side we've got a sink here, an area that you can have a cooker in, and then stowage underneath. Teak flooring that goes throughout, in very good condition. The caulking is not proud, very flat, the same all the way on to the bathing platform. We've got decking lights there, aft cleats, boarding ladders and fishing rod holders. Full cockpit tent and really wide walkways and steps all the way up through the boat. Have a look at the outside of the boat. You can see here, really nice bathing platform. Very stylish looking boat. Large handrails towards the bow and midship cleats for the springs, all the way forward to the anchor, which you'll see is an electric windlass that gets stored away so it's not overhanging on the boat, so hopefully not too many chips when you bring it up. So that's the full tour done. Full specification is on www.yboats.com and viewings are by appointment only. The boat is currently in Arundel. Thank you very much.